Ready to unlock the secret of using that Vanilla Visa gift card for all your online shopping sprees through PayPal? First things first, you absolutely must register your Vanilla Visa gift card online. This is crucial because unregistered cards often get declined during online transactions. Head to the website listed on the back of your card, usually vanillagift.com, or a similar address, and find the Registration or Cardholder Services section. You'll be prompted to enter your card number, expiration date, and the CVV code, which is typically on the back. The most important part of the registration process is entering your billing address. Make absolutely sure the address you enter exactly matches the address PayPal has on file. This address verification is how PayPal confirms the card is yours and prevents fraudulent use. Use your real address or the address on your PayPal account. Now, log into your PayPal account and navigate to the wallet section. Here, you'll see an option to link a card or bank. Click on that. Then select the option to link a debit or credit card even though it's a gift card. This is the correct choice. Enter the Vanilla Visa gift card details that you just registered, the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. PayPal might make a small test transaction, usually under $1, to verify the card. This amount will be refunded back to your card if your transaction fails. Double check you've entered all the card details and address correctly. And remember, some merchants or types of transactions aren't compatible with gift cards, so try a different retailer or a smaller purchase amount. And that's it. You can now use your Vanilla Visa gift card for your PayPal purchases. If you found this helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more PayPal tips.